Yeah, you know, Rasta live. The universal sign of love. Love is the answer, my friend, and love is the only way. Yeah, true love we can find ourselves. I call her true identity. You know? Love your brother, love your sister, love one another, the universal sign. I take it from here.
I hope you get it clear.